what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome to a new vlog. It is your bitch, okay? It is your bitch. Ready to go back to you with another video. What's good, y'all? It is Friday. I look dry, dusty, and crackheadish, okay? I just got off work not too long ago, and it's already dark. I don't like that shit at all. It's 5:37, and it looked like it's about to get dark, and a bitch don't like. It's not that I'm afraid of the dark. I guess you can say I'm scared of the dark. I just don't. It's just like it's time to be in the house. That's how I feel. Like when it's nighttime, bitch, it's time to be in the house. But I just left the bank, and I am at Tijuana Flats. So my brother wants Tijuana Flats, so I'm picking up some food from him, and we're gonna go to Magoos. Have y'all been to Magoos? Or I know Magoos because it was at UCF when I was a student there. It used to be in our like student lounge area, but they have a like a standalone location now in Altamont. So yeah, I'm going to Magoos. So I guess I will show you guys what I'm getting, I guess, if that's what you guys want to see. My fucking back hurt, y'all. I don't know what is going on. Again. Okay, let me go get food. Okay, y'all, so I put my order in. I had to call him to see what he wanted. When y'all go to Magoos, if y'all ever go, y'all need to get it in that Swahili sauce. Some weird ass shit. Thank you. Yeah, y'all need to get it in that Swahili sauce. Bitch, that should be really good. It is very good. Yeah, I'm back at Tijuana Flats next door. They literally right next door to each other. And yeah, I'm starving, y'all. I've been eating shit all day. Is it ready? I never ate at Tijuana Flats, but it looked like a Chipotle, and I'm not a fan of Chipotle. Like, I'm not a Chipotle person at all. I don't like burritos and bowls and like beans and shit like that. I ain't my vibe. Girl, this old ass lady is staring me in my eyeballs. Bitch, just staring at us. I'm just trying to play it out like I'm FaceTiming someone. Yes, hi. Thank you. No, it's okay. You have a wonderful night. Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. All right, so back next door to get our food. Yeah, it's like so weird. Like, I don't mind vlogging in public no more. I'm used to it, but yeah, people still stare like, what the fuck? Vlog, what's good, what's poppin'? Happy Saturday. We went to this like little neighborhood that has like garage sales and stuff. I guess they have like a community garage sale Friday and Saturday. So we just ran around the area. We gonna get Neriah toys soon. And yeah, I'm a little tired. I don't know why. But that's the vibe, y'all. I just want to check in with y'all for today. I may not talk a lot today. I don't know. But we're doing some riding around. And yeah, I guess I'll take you guys with me. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff. Later in the day, I literally haven't done shit. We haven't done nothing today. Like, we went to Five Below. Did I show that? We went to Five Below and got her a toy. When I tell you I've been in the house stuck all day. But I make spaghetti. So, yes, you guys. I'm just warming up the sauce and the meat, and then I put the noodles in a minute. But we put our TV up in the living room. Well, that's what he's working on. We're having trouble connecting the Fire TV to the phone. It's not working. Remote control?
The black one, the one I bought for the computer.
This one?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your City Studios. In this video today, we're going to be talking about...
Yeah, so that's kind of what we're working on. We still need a couch, bitch. Still need a couch. But Thanksgiving's coming up, so hopefully we get blessed with the couch before then. If not, it is what it is, you guys. I'm not a big deal. But at least we got a table. So, yeah, that's pretty much the vibe. I'm gonna go drinking me something. I feel like drinking. Okay, so I bought this wine yesterday. I didn't show y'all this when I was at the chicken tenders place. This is nasty. This tastes like dog shit. I do not like it at all. Do not recommend. It is the white Merlot. It's nasty, y'all. I ain't gonna flex. I feel like actually going to get some wine now. But this here, I didn't show you guys this. I put it on Instagram. This is the Pinaq Liqueur. They come in white, pink, and yellow. It is good. At first I thought it was good. Who's that?
Hello?
So yeah, so it is good. It's a liqueur. It is a little like tangy. Like my mom told me, it tastes like cough medicine. That probably has to be the best description it is. It's not like It's a liqueur. I feel like it's not for everybody. I'm not gonna lie, this taste is not for everybody. But I might sit me on some of this. It is very strong, by the way. Like half a cup, a few sips, and a bitch is fine. So, yeah, you guys, that's kind of the vibe. Let me put these, kind of hold you guys up. Okay, period. Okay, so we're getting ready to, bam. I'm just gonna put the, excuse my nails, y'all. I know I gotta get my nails done. Trust me, I know. My nails done, A motherfucking ASAP.